For the repair of the Korval E&P-01 controller, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we added 120 volt AC power supply, a potentiometer and a multimeter to measure the milliamp output. By manipulating the input signal with the help of the potentiometer, we see that the unit reacts accordingly and outputs the 4 to 20 milliamp according to the set point at the process variable of the unit. It is now clear that the controller is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.